Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to provide a quick in-depth comparison review about these two accounting business tools, which is QuickBooks and NetSuite. So to get started, QuickBooks remained the top choice for small business to mid-sized business that need a comprehensive yet accessible accounting tools. It offers strong features like invoicing, payrolls, bank reconciliation, and expense tracking, together with a financial report, alongside with a growing ecosystem of integrations and cloud accessibility. It's ideal for business that want a powerful accounting without enterprise-level complexity. NetSuite, however, is designed for large and fast-scaling business. It's a full ERP platform that includes advanced accounting, inventory, CRM, procurement, and a global financial management. It's built for companies with complex operation and multiple entities with international reach. That said, NetSuite is far more expensive and it requires more time and expertise to implement. QuickBooks is also fast to deploy and easier to manage, but isn't equipped to handle enterprise level operation. And here's the overall conclusion. With QuickBooks, you can do a little bit more. Like if you are a small to mid-sized business looking for powerful, easy to use accounting, choose QuickBooks. On the other hand, you can choose NetSuite if you are running a large company that need advanced ERP features, automation, and scalability across department and global locations. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks.